Welcome back to DriveScript Car Reviews, and today we're diving deep into something truly extraordinary from Mercedes-Benz. This isn't just another luxury vehicle launch. What we have here is the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series, a machine that represents the absolute pinnacle of automotive exclusivity and performance. Before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we bring you the most comprehensive car reviews on YouTube. Let's get started. Mercedes-Maybach has taken the already exceptional SL Roadster and transformed it into something that transcends the typical boundaries of luxury automobiles. The Mythos series isn't simply a trim level or a special edition. It's an entirely new category of ultra-exclusive vehicles that Mercedes-Maybach is introducing, and the SL is the first model to receive this treatment. What makes this so significant is that Mercedes-Maybach is limiting production to just a handful of units worldwide, making this one of the rarest modern Mercedes vehicles you can possibly acquire. Starting with the exterior, the Mythos Series SL immediately announces its special status from every angle. The design language takes inspiration from classic Mercedes racing vehicles while incorporating modern luxury elements that only Maybach can deliver. The front fascia features a unique Maybach-specific grille with vertical chrome slats that catch light in mesmerizing ways. This isn't the standard Panamericana grille you'll find on AMG models. It's more refined, more elegant, and undeniably more exclusive. The Mercedes-Maybach pattern is unmistakable, and it sets the tone for everything else on this vehicle. The paint finish deserves its own discussion because Mercedes-Maybach has developed exclusive color options specifically for the Mythos series. We're looking at multi-layer paint processes that involve up to 12 separate applications, creating depth and richness that photographs simply cannot capture adequately. The signature Mythos series colors include options like obsidian black metallic with red undertones that reveal themselves in direct sunlight, and a stunning silver chrome finish that required entirely new application techniques. Each paint process takes several days to complete, with artisans hand-finishing certain elements to ensure perfection. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the distinct Maybach badging on the front fenders, but look closer and you'll see the exclusive Mythos series emblems that identify this as something beyond even standard Maybach offerings. The side profile maintains the elegant proportions of the SL Roadster, but adds unique design elements like special side skirts with integrated chrome accents and exclusive wheel designs. Speaking of wheels, the Mythos series rides on specially designed forged wheels that measure 21 inches. These aren't just larger versions of standard wheels. They feature intricate spoke patterns that required new manufacturing processes, and they're finished in a combination of polished and matte surfaces that create visual drama while remaining elegant. The attention to detail extends to elements you might not immediately notice. The door handles are finished in polished chrome with Maybach branding, and they operate with a precision that feels mechanical and satisfying. The side mirrors incorporate cameras for the advanced driver assistance systems, but they're housed in aerodynamically optimized casings that are also works of art. Even the fuel filler cap receives special treatment with Maybach branding and a finish that matches the overall design philosophy. At the rear, the Mythos series continues its exclusive design story. The taillights maintain the SL's distinctive appearance, but incorporate unique lighting signatures that differ from standard SL models. The rear diffuser is more aggressive, hinting at the performance capabilities we'll discuss shortly, but it's finished with chrome elements that keep everything looking luxurious rather than overtly sporty. The exhaust system features quad outlets finished in polished chrome, and the exhaust note has been specifically tuned for the Mythos series to deliver a soundtrack that's powerful yet refined. The retractable soft top is another area where Mercedes-Maybach has elevated things. While the mechanism itself operates similarly to the standard SL, taking just 15 seconds to open or close at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, the fabric used for the Mythos series is exclusive. It's a multi-layer composite that provides superior insulation and weather protection while maintaining a sleek profile when raised. When lowered, it disappears completely beneath a tonneau cover that's also finished to Mythos series specifications. Now let's talk about what makes this SL move, because underneath that gorgeous exterior lies serious performance hardware. The Mythos Series SL is powered by a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an incredible 805 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. This is AMG engineering at its finest, with each engine built by a single technician following the one-man, one-engine philosophy. The engine features advanced technologies including twin-scroll turbochargers, direct injection, and a sophisticated cooling system that allows sustained high-performance driving. Power reaches all four wheels through Mercedes' 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which has been specifically calibrated for the Mythos series. The 9-speed AMG SpeedShift MCT transmission delivers gear changes with remarkable speed and smoothness, adapting its behavior based on the selected drive mode. Speaking of performance numbers, the Mythos Series SL accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, and it will continue accelerating until reaching its electronically limited top speed of 196 miles per hour. These are supercar numbers wrapped in Maybach luxury. The chassis and suspension systems have received special attention for the Mythos series. Mercedes has fitted this SL with AMG Active Ride Control suspension, which uses active dampers at all four corners to provide both exceptional comfort and razor-sharp handling depending on what's required. The system can actually lean the car into corners, reducing body roll and improving both comfort and dynamics. It's technology borrowed from the motorsport world, but refined for luxury vehicle applications. The result is a roadster that can glide over rough pavement with Maybach smoothness, but also carve through mountain roads with genuine sports car precision. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring massive carbon ceramic brake rotors that measure over 15 inches in diameter at the front. These provide phenomenal stopping power with minimal fade, even during aggressive driving. And they also reduce unsprung weight compared to conventional steel rotors, improving handling dynamics. The brake calipers are finished in a distinctive bronze color that's exclusive to the Mythos series, adding another visual element that sets this vehicle apart. Now we need to discuss pricing, because exclusivity of this level comes with a corresponding price tag. Mercedes-Maybach hasn't officially announced pricing for all markets, but based on information from European deliveries and industry sources, the Mythos Series SL is expected to start at approximately $750,000 in the United States market. That's before any optional equipment or personalization through the Maybach Manufacture program, which allows buyers to customize virtually every aspect of their vehicle. With typical options and personalization, many Mythos Series SL examples are likely to exceed $900,000 to $1 million. This positions the Mythos Series SL in truly rarefied territory, competing not with ordinary luxury vehicles, but with limited production hypercars and bespoke creations. That pricing might seem extraordinary, and it absolutely is, but it reflects the exclusivity and craftsmanship involved. Remember, Mercedes-Maybach is producing only a very limited number of Mythos Series SL models globally. Some reports suggest fewer than 100 examples worldwide, though Mercedes hasn't confirmed exact production numbers. This isn't a vehicle you can simply order at your local dealership. Potential buyers are being personally invited to purchase Mythos Series vehicles, and the selection process considers existing relationships with the brand and collection history. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series represents automotive luxury at its absolute zenith, combining breathtaking performance, exquisite craftsmanship, and extraordinary exclusivity. This is a vehicle that makes strong statements without shouting, that delivers supercar performance wrapped in Maybach elegance, and that offers something genuinely rare in today's automotive landscape. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Mythos Series SL, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to DriveScript Car Reviews for more comprehensive coverage of the world's most exceptional vehicles, and let me know in the comments what you think about Mercedes-Maybach's new Mythos series. Would you choose this over other ultra-luxury options? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Claude is AI and can make mistakes. Please double-check responses.